Hello traders. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Forex Secret Signal Indicator. We'll cover how this rule-based signal tool appears on the chart, how its on-screen indications reflect trend-aligned opportunities, and how its internal logic guides when to stay out of sideways markets. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the Forex Secret Signal Indicator presents its output both directly on the chart and in a separate sub-window as clear buy and sell indications that are tied to the current trend environment defined by its rules. So you can basically see red lines above price action when it identifies a possible downside or downward move, and blue lines below price action, as well as in the separate sub-window when it identifies a potential upside move. So when the market is trending and the buy appears, it reflects the indicator's assessment that bullish conditions are in place and that price is moving in line with its upward criteria. When a sell appears in the defined downtrend, it reflects that bearish conditions are present according to the same rule sets. In so-called side trend or choppy conditions, the system emphasizes that traders should not act, making the absence of a signal just as meaningful as a displayed buy or sell. The overall visual impression is a structured, rule-driven display that focuses attention on trend-aligned situations rather than constant activity. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. So customizable parameters include the RSI period, CCI period, MACD, stochastic, we have divergence type, minimum divergence bars, and we also have the option of setting our preferred colors for the bullish and bearish divergences, so it stands out properly and fits in with our underlying MT4 chart theme. And we have the options to set on or off alerts as well, and also how the alerts come in. Alright, so who is the indicator for? The Forex Secret Signal Indicator is suited to traders who want a structured, rule-based approach that stresses trading with the trend and standing aside in sideways conditions. It can be especially helpful for those who struggle with overtrading in choppy markets and want a framework that clearly defines when not to trade. The tool is analytical only and does not execute trades automatically, so trade entries, exits, and position sizing remain completely under the trader's control. Even with its emphasis on trend alignment, signals are still based on historical price behavior and can be affected by sudden news or volatility spikes, so the indicator should be combined with independent analysis and robust money management. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full rule sets and see chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more walkthroughs of structured rule-based signal tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.